Hey everyone, this is Matt, and today I want to show you one of the most dangerous leatherworking tools that I've come across. This right here is called a leather rougher. It's got all these little spikes on one end that, if you're not careful, can really cut your hand up. What it's used for is to roughen up two sides of leather, so then you can apply some leather weld and it makes the bond stronger. And it works pretty much like this right here. You take a piece of leather, make sure your other hand's not in the way, and really just take your time, because all you're trying to do is just make a bit of a mess with it. Sort of pulling at it. You see, if you're not careful when you come out and hit your hand, it won't be nice. But you see what this is doing? It's making a bunch of rough areas all over the leather. What I'm going to also do is I'm going to take this headband right here I'm working on, and I'm going to put a liner on it. So I'm going to roughen up this side and this side. When I get done, all the leather's going to look about like that. And then I'll glue it together, and that should hold. So the finished product will look like so. Anyway, hope you find this handy. Just be very careful whenever you use this thing. Alright, till next time. Hey, this is Matthew. Thank you for watching.